Lesson 44. Nakimas, cry. Waraimas, laugh, smile. Nemorimas, sleep. Kawakimas, shatsuga kawakimas, a shirt dry. Norimas, shatsuga, a shirt got wet. Subirimas, sleep. Okimas, jiko an accident happened. Chositsushimasu, adjust. Anzen, safe. Kiken, dangerous. Koi, strong. Taste, dark color, thick liquid. Usoy, weak. Taste, light color, thin. Atsui, thick. Futoy, thick of large diameter. Hosoy, thin of small diameter. Kuki, air. Namida, tear. Washuku, Japanese dish. Yoshoku, Western dish. Okazu, side dish. Ryo, quantity. By, times. Shingoro, single room. Twin, twin-bedded room. Sentakumono, washing, laundry. DVD, DVD. Hotero Hiroshima, a fictitious hotel. Do nasaimasu ka? What can I do for you? Respectful. Kato, haircut. Shampoo, shampoo. Shampoo shimasu. Do you fu ni nasaimasu ka? How would you like it done? Respectful. Shoto, short. Mitai ni shite kudasai. Do it like. Kore de yoroshii deshou ka? Would this be alright? Polite. Domo, otsukaresama deshita. Thank you for your patience. Shop assistant to customer. Iyagarimasu, dislike. Mata, and. Omaku, well. Junju, order. Anshin, relieved. Yojin, expression. Tatoiba, for example. Wakarimasu, part, separate. Korera, this. Engi ga waroi, unlucky, ill-omened. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Japanese Learning Hub for more tips and lessons. Matane!